Here's another day I'm taking you to work with me. Today we are making a couple of things, but I'm going to start by putting on my apron from Hedley and Bennett, and then I'm going to cut up some veggies and fruit for this green juice that I'm making. I'm going to list the ingredients on the screen, but it's just apple, celery, kale, ginger, and cucumbers. And I had a little help today from some little hands, and I just store those, label them, and put them in the refrigerator. For dinner, I made some asparagus, some garlic butter ribeye bites, some double stuffed sweet potatoes, and I just plated that all up. We had a little bit of extra guests today. Then I cleaned up the kitchen and I headed home to make dinner for myself. I made some honey lime chicken thighs, and those just roasted in the oven. I love chicken thighs. They're quick and easy, and you just set it and forget it. They came out so beautiful. I'm using this Leek, which is my absolute favorite allium, and I'm sauteing it and putting it in some couscous. These are some roasted Brussels sprouts drizzled with balsamic glaze, and that is that couscous at the end. So that's all I had for dinner. Here's a little dinner shot and a little Christmas tree shot, because my favorite holiday.